Today, we're going to have a quick chat about slash commands. Slash commands could be considered as quick actions or shortcuts so that you can include questions and content into your form. I know, the team has somehow managed to find an easier way to build forms. So, from the form editor, we're going to type a /. This will bring up our slash command menu. We can place our slash commands into 3 categories: questions, content, and quick questions. Now, let's take a look at solely using slash commands to build a simple registration form. What information should I gather? With the / remaining, I'm going to simply type email. Then, I'm going to hit enter. And as we can see, an email question field type has been automatically created. All I need to do now is change the title for this field. What other information should I gather? I know, typing a / and then phone number, hitting enter once again, will automatically create a phone number question field. Once again, let's change that title. But what am I missing? I know, personally, I like to include a heading in my forms. So, I'm going to move to the top, click in that blank space, type a / and then type heading. As we can see, we have the ability to include a heading 1 being big and a heading 2 being small. I'm going to input a heading 1. Now, all I need to do is type my heading, registration form. I'd also like to include an image in my form. How do I do that? Easy. I'm going to hit enter so that I'm in a blank space, type a / and then type image. We can see that we have the ability to include an image upload question field, or through our content category, an image of our own. This will bring up the image placement. Press choose image, and this will open your file explorer, allowing you to make a selection. Voila, it is that easy. Now, let's take a look at quick questions. Quick questions are question fields that already have a predetermined configuration. Let's break that down. For example, I want to ask my submitter to input their name. So, if I simply click in a blank space, type our / and then follow that with name, we can see we have the name quick question appear. Clicking on this, we can see that the title is already predetermined, stating, "What is your name?" If I scroll down and I type a / followed by terms, then hit enter, we can see for the terms and conditions quick question, the title is predetermined, the description is predetermined, and if we enter the configuration, scrolling down to options, we can see that this too is predetermined, making our life so much easier and our work less stressful. Jumping back out, if at any time you wish to change the design and look of your form, simply enter the theme settings by clicking that colored water drop icon. You can view the live mode of your form by clicking the eye icon. And don't forget, if you ever want to reach out to our support team, we're merely a click away. Thank you for watching and happy form making.